The strategy of one team, stay with me.
720.
720. Jeez, good bid. Loving your work. Have you seen the bidding video? Good on you. You've been one of 10 people that has, but I appreciate it at 720. 720 at a bid now. He's put up 15. 725 at 7 1/4 at a bid now. I bid it away for 30 if it will, but at 725 out in the hallway at 725 at a bid now.
740.
740. There's another 15. Put that over the bow at 740,000 at a bid.
750.
750 at 3/4 offered in now. All the potential at 750. Do we put up
760.
760? Puts up triple tops at 760. At 760. This is what I'm going to do.
780.
780. I'm just going to get some instructions. Hold tight. You see, you hold the bid at 780. Good on you. Here's mate. Hey. A little bit unorthodox, doesn't it? Keep everyone on their toes. Why is he just walking off? Because Mabel's instructions are very clear. At 780,000, we're on the market. We sell. Make no mistake. At 780,000, what do you say? Get back in play. We play for keeps. I sell. What's at 780,000 at a bid now? I challenge you to find better. Twice.
We do 782.
You certainly can. I'm not forgetting about the 780 in front of it. I wouldn't step over it in the street, would you? 2 grand? Jeez, no. It's 782. 790. Okay, I salute that bid. At 790,000 New Zealand dollars at 790.90. Take another 2 if you will, guys, but at 790. I call it through at 790,000. Opportunity knocking. I can hear. Hitting the jackpot at the casino. Twice at 790. Last chance. Look at these two looking into each other's eyes. Beautiful. Yeah, take your time, guys. It is nice though, right? No? Jeez. Probably more than you get, Joe, the old.
Absolutely.
790. Loving your work, team. Push it forward. Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
795.
Loving your work. So you're going to have to round me on 800,000. You put up a little snowman, but it's 795,000 at a bid now. Puts up the 8. Oh, no? Yes? No. Okay.
795.
No, I've got 795 feet. Jeez, the agents are keen. Have we got 2 of them, Tan? We got 2 of them. Ask Mabel, she wants to sell her one.
No, she'll be staying put.
But it's 795,000 at a bid now. Sir, I'll take 96, but it's 795 offered in now.
96.
96, okay. Now everyone can sort of read between those lines. You're both at your tether. I appreciate you doing all that you can. Just land on the 800. A beautiful street to live in. Bring up a family.
800.
Loving it. Salute the bid at 800,000. It's got the whispers out back going at 800,000 at a bid. Do we get to 801 into? That is the question here and now. I search high low at 800,000. First call at 800. Twice. What's going to our fellas that did the old pull out over here? You guys ready to go? Last chance at 800,000. But thanks for coming and putting up with me sincerely. At 800,000 into, be fair warned. What is that?
805.
Right, that's clear, sir. I don't want any confusion. Good. 805. At 805, you got to fight for good terra firma. Oh, that's not responsible after though. Because you're going to drive home and not like me. And there's too many people that don't like me. Help me to help you. But I appreciate your contribution. Mabel certainly does as well at 805,000. Had a bit. At 805, are there any more surprises? We are going. At 805, we are going. Yeah, do it. Not to throw Mama Bear under the bus, but hard to overpay with terra firma. The big fella's not making any more. Building plenty of dodgy apartments, but not land. I'll give them 3 chances. I've been fair warning to everyone, Tan. At 8:05, I counted down from 3, from 2.
806.
Good. Now I'm going to give you guys exactly the same period of time, okay?
That's it, and
But that's what you said before, that's what they said.
you're not wasting your time.
So you have not wasted my time, I'm better for it. That's for sure. Right now at 806,000 out of it now, but if you put up 7, give it to me, but at 806,000, geez, it's pretty hard saying no, isn't it? I don't think he's letting him out the door. But at 806,000, that's a very, very good decision on your behalf. It is going at 806. Yeah, of course. Well, I have to give them the same courtesy. You better make sure that Mabel hasn't passed out. Hey? Make sure she's still, you know. It's a lot of excitement for Mabel. Tax-free too. Good stuff. Inda, we're going to need some instructions now, okay? Well, you know, to be fair to all parties, I've waited, so I'm going to give him 10 seconds. Joe, start the clock. So then, you know, no one can accuse me of underselling it. At 806,000, he's down to 8 seconds. At 806, he's down to what? 4?
2.
2, 1. At 806,000, it is going. It is going. 810. Okay. Sorry to do it to you guys, but that's why you sell your property with auction. You know all those punters that say auctions are not working? You say absolutely bollocks. At 810,000 out of it now. Good work, Inda. Toiling away for our sellers, loving it. At 810. Leeds 11 is my favourite number, but at 810,000 out of it now. Into the valley of no second chances. Thank you. Get a loaner off your agents. These guys got what? No, you don't think that's funny, right? Are we short, team? At 8:10, going. Thank you for your contribution. And Inda, it is. Yeah, this is all good? Yeah?
I want. He can have it at 806. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Right now, he retracts his bid. You're allowed to do that in New Zealand. You are allowed to do that, right? If you don't know, you can't do it when it's sold. But 806, guys, still confirm your bid at 806?
So he's at 806 now.
Correct. He's retracted his bid.
No.
You don't need to.
I'm not the same.
It's okay. It's on camera. Imagine that tomorrow. Oh,
No. Get away.
hang on. Like, we're going to pause there just for a second, right? 806, it is going. Just confirm your bid, guys. That's the good news about Mabel, right? We have a chat. She says, no, sell it to the young couple. I just love that, right? I love it. So thank you very much for your time. That concludes the auction. Appreciate it.